What's going on, everybody? It's RF Mike, and I am back with one last USB-C accessory for tonight that we are going to check out. And we are looking at this here Aukey USB 3.1 Type-C male-to-male adapter for syncing charging cable for Type-C support devices. This is model CBC2. Like it says down here, USB 3.1. This is supposed to be able to give up to, I believe, 10 gigabits per second. Yeah, up to 10 gigabits per second when transferring data. So we'll see how that does. If I had not a tablet, but if I had an actual computer or a Chromebook, something that I need to transfer this video over to from the device I'm using to record this on to something else, I like to see how fast it can move all that. Charging wise, from what I'd seen online, a lot of people have given it's kind of been a mixed bag. A lot of people have been like, yeah, it works great, it's great cable. People that use Nexus devices like the 6P and whatnot have said, yeah, they see rapid charging, but it seems to charge very slow. I think part of that does depend on your wall brick that you were using, and yeah, if the cable is that slow, if there's things that are not connected properly internally. This is something that has not been reviewed by Bison Long yet. Hopefully he does get to it, but I will go ahead and crack into this. There is a 24-month warranty on these, and I believe it's covered against any issues with the cable. Even if you happen to get one dead out of the box, you should be okay. So let's go on ahead, peel off our wrapping, check it out. What it says here on the back side. It says Aukey Aukey USB 3.1 Type-C male-to-male sync and charging cable. Let's see. Latest 3.1 USB standard, reversible Type-C connector, plug in both ways, high-speed USB 3.1 for data transfer up to 10 gigabits, backwards compatible with existing 3.0 and 2.0 devices, supports high power charging and quick USB data transfers for USB Type-C devices. Made with connecting between USB-C enabled devices for MacBooks and Chromebook Pixel. Cord length is 0.9 millimeters, 3 feet. So that is all your information. If you want to check out their website or need support, they have their email address listed as well and where they are from. So let's go on ahead and open it on up. And inside our box, all we see is cable. And there should be a card as well. Here's our card first. So register now, register your Aukey product, receive the following benefits. So our benefits are extra monthly warranties. This is given a total of 30-month warranty, free return label for the first 180 days of your purchase date. What was that? Applicable to defective products only. Receive free exclusive discount products and test and review. So their Facebook page, their website. Inside here is our pamphlet, going over all that same stuff, where we can write down, register everything. Thank you for your Aukey purchase. Alright, so next up should be our cable. And it is pretty packed in there. There we go. Now, that is a quite massively thick cable. And yeah, that is pretty beefy. So for our design here, you can see kind of goes from a narrow to a thicker, probably for grip. That is pretty hefty compared to the LG cable that came with my V20. There is your height difference there. Let's see here, girth wise, yeah, it might be about the same. So anyway, let's look at that, and then we will unwind And being that it is a 3-foot cable, yeah, this is actually going in my backpack to go with my Aukey battery pack. And you can see here we have some kinks from being folded up. Hopefully this does not cause an issue. So, Aukey, I'm going to tag you in this video. If you see this, you guys do not think this is correct, please get a hold of me so we can get this straightened out if there happens to be a problem. So, I do not have any other devices that are USB Type-C up here at the moment to try this on. So, give me 1 second. Alright, so I have one end of our Type-C cable here connected into the V20, which I'm using to record this. And then our other end of our cable, which is right here, we will plug into the camera and we'll see if we get power. And we do, and it's booting it up as well. So it does send signal and recognize this. Let's go ahead and undo that. So we're booted up. We'll go ahead and shut this back down. So the cable works for recognizing connection. It should allow, it probably, my camera booted up probably thinking that the phone was a device it could send the photos to, acting like a computer. So we will give this a shot later on the battery pack that I have that is USB Type-C out or in, that can go to this cable that we can plug into, say, a V20 or the Pixel or the Dead Unicorn, the Note 7. So that'll be it for this video. This is definitely a thick cable, as you guys can see. Here it is next to this is my Anchor. This is a 2.0 compatible cable. Next to this sucker, you can see just how crazy thick this is. So hopefully it holds up. Alright, this is RF Mike. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave that comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. And follow me on Twitter as well at SL1Mike. So I will see you all in the next video.